My day was, I was in bed whole day watching TV shows. Interesting, huh? It's Monday, it's Sunday. Got nothing to do.
Exhausting. Dayon.
Kapoy ko biyahe gikan Cagayan.
Day karon kay do wala man mag-practice yung dami karong adlaw. Pero fortunately close ta ng studio. Isa gi mo mudiga sa kulang sa kay mata na practice yung isa gusto.
Today, family day, church. Practice mi karon pero wala na dayon kay wala available na studio. So diri na mi sa balay nag-take and mo to siya. Si Mickey. Busy. Duck one, the invisible.
Mickey is, I think, is the cool word type. You know, kung kami tanan kay hey, let's do something. Let's practice. Let's practice moves, stage performance and stuff. Let's write songs. And Mickey's like, please practice that. She's cool. Cold as ice.
Mickey, okay lang. Dili siya ingon nga perfect nga front woman. Like, dili niya mabuhat na ng kinahanglan buhaton sa front woman. Pero okay man. Kay ga-compliment ka siya sa band as a whole. Contribute siya with things na dili ma-contribute sa other members. So it's all good.
Si Mickey kay talented kayo. Lalong po na si Mickey. Sa dili mi kasama.
Kuya Jan, ang galing mag-drums. Yes. Hi! Tapos, Kuya Jan, actually sila lahat, magaling sila sa instruments lahat. Nakakaingit. Ako lang nagsusulat minsan pa. Minsan lang. Tapos, dayon si Kuya John he really stands as a big brother to me. So, ako po kayo respeto sa iya kay. Basta mo na to, kabalo na po siya nga.
Then, very sympathetic. Hindi ra maluoy. Butan na amigo ka. Lugin na muna amigo. The lover boy. Brando is missing.
John is, I think, to describe him in 2 words, inappropriately creative. Yeah, because he's like overflowing with creative juices. Every minute, bye, I have a new song in mind. Next minute, bye, I have a new song. Next minute, oh, that song sucks. This one's newer and better. It's funny. He doesn't know that. Yeah, funny siya.
Si Simon. God's gift na si Simon. Si Mick.
Simon and Mick, one of my bestest friends also.
Simon. Murag kuan. Simon, other than Mickey, si Simon is the person I spend more time with kuan. Tapos mas dali rami maka-come up with stuff, then open-minded. So most of the time magkasinabot with me the pace of such. The pace of such. You know what it means.
Mick is the manager type of guy. I think so. He's like the auditing guy. Like, nothing must be left unnoted. Expenses, stuff. Microsoft Excel. He abuses that software. Yeah, he's cool.
Simon and Mick, one of my bestest friends also.
Si Mick, si Mick may among power ka na kay halos tanan siya kuan sa among internet. Dayon. Muna, kung wala si Mick, dili tingin mo mo itong yan ang likes.
Si Michael, online 24/7. DJ is always in Cagayan. Pero wala sa practice, tansa na. Supplier of suka na lami, nga halang kayo. very creative in terms of lyrics and melodies sa vocals. Almost tanan sa mong kanta kay sila ni John ang gahimo sa melody sa vocals, like tagahanan mo sila grip and that's it. Di ba ako kabalo asa niya nang give ng pangkuha pero it's great.
AJ is probably the most sociable person sa band. I'm not saying dili me sociable tanan pero we're sociable sa internet. Like social networking sites. Pero AJ he's always there sa mga events like sa Cagayan, like mga parties na siya because occupational hazard po niya. He's in Plug magazine. So yeah, he's outgoing. He's down and out. He's a very artistic person too. Photography po siya. Creative. And yun, those four people are probably, some people might say they're the meanest people of all. Siligan. But they're my best friends. I love them all.
Si EJ, late parate, parang ako.
Si EJ, si EJ akong best friend.
Actually, sa self-titled EP, I wasn't still in the band during that time. During that time, I was fifth man pa ko nila, like kung na ay absent ako mag-session. So, but from what I can see as a fan of them, experimental, and then actually one song ra kong na-record, the song Far. Yeah, experimental album.
Sa Fudge to na mo ko. Grabe gito karo pero gipaningkamutan gyud ni Mark Banaag. Pinaka the best na mo nga amigo nga among sound engineer po daning among Mark idol ka kanya ta magtusok.
Tusok. Kuan pa kayo sa nga stage mo everyone is not that much skill wise and wala pa kayo may go focus on other things basta mo kanta i-record siya ni Mark sa Fudge pero na dito ang essence of such murag mailan gid nimo ang such from that album. Met friends and supporters and sadly wala ko atong album. Igor ako nag-record kay nilarga ko Manila. Pero I was really inspired and proud when I heard it for the first time.
Sa EP kay kamindohan ni Michael ang record sa gitara sa baho pero wala may sa album. It was when I stopped joining the band. It was fun, first time. Tayon, tungod na itong mga kanta na motivate ko, hindi as a person. Dingaw.
Dito may gasugod. Mora ko istorya dayon. Grabe kay na siya ka. Tanan songs dira kay marag. Grabe ka na ay mga aside from Kuya Mark and Kuya Gavino helping us out, salamat kayo sa inyo ha. Dito mi ni gawas, dito mi nag-develop. Pagkahuman ato kay nakabalo dayon mi unsa mas among mabuhat para mas maayo ang mga songs dayon. Wala pud mi katupod na EP kay grabe ka supportive sa among friends ug maskin nga nang dili po namong friends and mga supporters, salamat kayo. Wala ko ga-expect na ingana og impact sa mga tao. Dahil hindi katawan ko sa mga mutana.